Hello, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to use Google Chat, and I will also show you some features that you probably don't know about Google Chat. Google Chat is a platform that you can use online to have meetings or to have discussions or to share your PC screen or so on with another individual. All you'll need is a Google account. Once you have a Google account, you'll simply go onto google.com. Then you'll type in Google Chats and you're going to select the first option that pops up at the top. It is going to redirect you to mail.google.com. Once you have done that, you'll be led to this dashboard. And there are a few things that I would like you to pay attention to. The first thing is from the left-hand menu option, you can see where it says chat. So if you would like to start a text conversation or so on, all you would have to do is tap on the plus. Then from there you could type in the individual's email address. Once you have typed in their email address, you can tap on start chat. Also in the top right hand corner, you can see our status right there. So right where you see away, if you would like to select automatic, or if you would like to set your status at do not disturb, you can select that. Or you can tap right where you see add a status and you can add a unique status right there. Or if you would like to edit your chat notification settings, for example, let's say you use Google Chat now and then and you don't want to receive any chat notifications, you could simply toggle off allow chat notifications. You can also change the notification sound, as you can see right there. And you can also select email notifications if you would like to receive that. And if you would like to block someone, you can do that by scrolling down, and right where you see blocked users, you can add a particular email address that you would like to block. Or if you would like to block spaces, you can do that. And if you would like to set up your do not disturb schedule, you can also do that in this section right here. And if you would like to change the appearance from light to dark, you can also do that. At the moment, you can see that I'm using dark mode. Once you have done all of that and it is to your liking, you can again go over to the bottom left-hand corner. And whether you would like to join a meeting, if someone has sent you a meeting link, you can tap on join a meeting. Or if you would like to start a new meeting, all you'll have to do is tap right where you see new meeting. Once you have tapped where you see new meeting, this will pop up. And this is the meeting link right here. So you would send this link to an individual that you would like to join your meeting. All you'll have to do is tap right where you see the two boxes to copy the link, and you'll be able to share the link. Or you could tap on send invitation. Once you have done that, you can tap on start now. After you have tapped on start now, it will grant access to your camera, as you can see right here. Once you have granted access to your camera, I want you to pay attention to some of the icons at the bottom right here. So for example, you can turn on your microphone, as you can see right there. And also if you would like to turn off your camera, you can tap on the camera icon right there to turn it off. So all they will see is your profile image, as you can see right there. And if you would like to access the closed caption or turn on captions, you can do that there. And if you would like to send a reaction, you'll tap on the smiley face, as you can see there. And if you would like to do a presentation, you can tap on present now. And to raise your hand, all you have to do is tap on raise hand right here. And by the way, you can access more options by tapping on the three dots. So if for example you would like to add some type of effects or filters, all you have to do is tap on apply visual effects, and you could do that. If you would like to change the layout, meaning the design of the screen when you're talking to someone, you could tap on change layout right here. And you can also access the picture in picture mode, meaning that you will be able to have a conversation and use the chat feature, meanwhile using other apps on your PC or laptop, as you can see right there. Once you have done all of that, I want you to pay attention to the bottom right hand corner, and you can see show everyone. From there you can tap and you can see that I am the host at the moment, and you would see the persons that are also on the chat. And you can add persons if you want right there. Another thing that you can also do by tapping on the three icons right here where you see activity. If you would like to go into whiteboarding, you can tap on that right there. And the last icon is the lock icon. And this allows you to make different changes or to do moderation. So if you would like to do some moderation, for example, if you would like to allow persons to send reactions or so on, all you have to do is simply toggle on where you see host management. Then from there you can toggle on send reactions, and you could turn it off if you want, or you can turn on their microphone if you want, or you can turn off. You have access to all of these controls as you can see right here. But if you don't want to do the moderation, you can simply toggle it off. And once you have toggled it off, as you can see, turning off host management lets everyone do the following, and you can see that they'll be in charge of what they want to do. So I'll tap on turn it off. Now to end the call, it's quite easy. All you'll have to do is tap on the red right where you say leave call. You'll simply tap on that. Once you have done that, you can tap right where you see return to home screen. And once it has returned to the home screen, if you would like to start a new meeting, you can tap right there. Or if someone has sent you a meeting link, you could paste the meeting link right there, and you'll be able to join that particular meeting. And as you can see, also you can browse spaces on Google Chats, as you can see right here, by tapping on browse spaces. Then after you have tapped on browse spaces, you could search for the spaces right here if you have a particular space that you would like to join. And if you would like access to other Google apps, all you have to do is go over to the top right hand corner, right where you see the 9 dots beside your profile pic. You would tap on that. Once you have tapped on that, you will see the other Google apps that are available, and you can choose whichever one you would like to use, or whichever app you would like to use. As you can see right here, there are numerous apps that you can choose from, so you can select whichever one of these apps you would like to use. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.